ben Yuki, ik kom uit Japan, ik ben 22, ik kom van Mandarin, ik kom van Burkina. Ik ben voor Mandarin hier.
I want to learn the Dutch because it helps me connect more easier with local people, make friends, and understand their culture more deeply.
Mohem ben ik van Prang en heel graag uit Friesland te ontmoeten.
And what was the hardest Dutch word?
I think the Jisan, like the dag or dag, dag. I think Japanese persons so don't study another language. Maybe so Japanese is Iran country, so don't need to speak another language.
Hoi, ik ben Yuki. Vandaag was een geweldige dag, omdat ik een socialiteit spreek hadden en ook naar het evenement in de woorden ging.
Right, so to stay another country like Europe or American is needed to speak English. Now I study English and then now living here, so I was ready to study Dutch.
Are you planning on also learning Frisian in the future?
I think the talk to Dutch person, so Frisian is very difficult language and some more the historical language in Dutch, but I hope to study Frisian.
Het was zo leuk.